Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's two-wheeling time. That's right, it's some two-wheeling action about to go down. The two-wheelings are in the building, ready to get that wrist, a little bit of that good old-fashioned wrist twist work. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy two-wheelings down? Or will the two-wheelings take that wrist and give it a mighty twist and say, devil, I hope you're ready, and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. Okay, we ain't got no sound. Okay, here we go. It's action. It's go time. Who is he chasing? Oh, he chasing the two-wheeling? Young motorcycle boy. Pull over, punk. We just wanna talk. Oh, yeah, but do. Body on earth, wrist twist from hell. Here come my devilish ways, devil. I hope you're ready.
Northbound 31, direction southbound 31.
What kind of cop cars does this sound good?
Dark color Superbike, unknown 1020.
That bike sound good too, though.
No violation from the 83 and 865. And the tag's flipped up. I'm passing the 12-mile marker. Still southbound 3. Speed is 120.
Oh my goodness, he doing 120? Yeah, he playing with fire. Pull over, punk, before we make you roadkill, and I mean it. Don't make me put you down. This is crazy.
Mile marker, southbound, speed's 100, no traffic.
At nighttime, man, if a deer run out in front of you, you done. A raccoon to take you out. Hell, a possum.
I don't think we have units today.
At that speed, if you run over a chipmunk, you're done.
544 Single Bridge, Getaway.
Temple, we're passing International Drive, still southbound,
He flying, boy.
no traffic.
He got that thing open like your girl keep them legs open for the whole neighborhood. You got yourself a fly. She's nasty.
C9. They're supposed to have a Superbike.
Sound good. I gotta give credit. It does sound good. Seems like a heavy set guy though.
6823.
Ooh, he leaning. I think that's a Kawasaki Z1000.
Speed's 100, no traffic.
Ooh, he moving.
Got him up.
That cop on him though. I think he on a Z, y'all. Dual exhaust, side by side. Yeah, I think that's a Z, y'all.
Still headed back towards 17, speed's 105, no traffic.
Man, doing 105 on a curb. Yeah, he a beast. He know what he doing. Yeah, he know what he doing. Look at that lean.
Just past 70,
Yeah.
bypass on Bristol, speed's 112.
He ain't no rookie. Man, it's so scary though at nighttime. All the animals that be running out, the debris, you can't see it. Ah, man, I'm scared for Buddy, y'all. Come on, man, pull over, bro. It ain't worth it, bro. Just a ticket, baby. Pull over. Oh, them bumps is crazy. I hope he got a helmet on. Oh, he pulling away. He getting busy. He getting little now. Running a red light? Oh, that's diabolical. Oh, he lost it. Oh, no, man. He lost it. Ain't looking good. Oh, he went through that fence. Ah, man, that ain't good, y'all. That is not good, y'all. Look at that fence.
Zone 5, sorry.
That ain't looking good, y'all. He was going too fast. He might not have made that, y'all.
Let's go ahead and send Myrtle Beach PD, please.
Ah, my goodness, y'all. Can't blame the officer. All he had to do was stop, bro. Stop, man.
Give you 1021 on this.
1021, what does that mean? 1021? He didn't say 1022, he said 1021. What does that mean? Oh, he must have didn't make it, man. The officer don't even seem like he.
Mighty.
Oh, he didn't make it, y'all. He unalived himself. Dang! Come on, bro. Just pull over. It's just a ticket, man. You went from just a little pat on the butt to unaliving yourself, man. Come on, bro. Maybe in the daytime.
Clear channel.
But the nighttime, you don't know what's in front of you. He probably hit something too, y'all.
Okay, clear the channel. I'll give you 1021.
1020. What is a 1021? That sound like a
Signal 15.
unalived. 1021.
You were there, son.
Dang, man.
Signal 37, go ahead.
We don't even know if it was a guy. It could have been a girl.
Next class A, 1051, West the Waterway. 4A53.
Oh, man.
Is that an apartment complex over there? He must have saw him. That officer must have saw him.
Zone 5, sorry.
No, he didn't see him yet. And he ain't crying out in pain or nothing. Hopefully he just knocked out, but I don't think so, y'all. At them speeds, he might have hit that tree too. Yeah, it ain't looking good for Playboy or Playgirl.
It's 83. Do you have Myrtle Beach PD? All right.
Affirmative.
He not even trying to go in there and look for him. He not even gonna waste his time looking. No sense of urgency either. It must be bad, y'all. He has no sense of urgency. It's gotta be bad. I'm hoping they find him. He all right. Like maybe he just knocked out, you know, just knocked the wind out of him. Come on, T. Like he was doing 120, bro. 140, 150 miles an hour. You know he ain't make that. And if he did, he a paraplegic. He just stuck inside of his body. He'll never walk again. Come on, bro. It's not worth it, man. Running on a bike at night?
10 seconds.
Ah, my goodness. Diabolical, bro.
You understand what I'm saying or no? Huh? Don't come over here and look at anything. You're not gonna want to see any of that.
Oh, wow.
Just give us a couple minutes, figure out everything. We'll get your report for your car, okay?
Oh, he hit the dude's car. Yeah, it's a wrap. He must be over there looking like Linguini. He must be all over there, splattered everywhere. Wow. He said, don't even come over here.
How fast was he going when he rode?
I came to that red light. It was red. I maybe hit it at 60 and it's back on 110.
Dang, 110? Diabolical. Meet me in the comments. This was diabolical, bro. Just pull over, bro. It's nighttime. Listen, we all like a good run, you know. We all like police chases, but you doing 130, 140, 150 at nighttime? Flying. Do you know how many critters I run over a day in the semi truck? And I'm only doing 70, 75. He doing 140. 110 to say when he crashed out, he was doing 110. What do you think is going to happen if you hit anything to take that motorcycle into the air at 110 miles an hour? You might as well just say, I got my wings. Because you either going to get your demon wings or you going to get your angel wings. But one way or another, you getting your wings. And he knew what he was doing. Man, it ain't worth it. It is not worth it to be running on them two wheels. You shouldn't be running anyway, but listen, we all like a good lap. We all like a good chase. But I'm pretty sure every one of the Werewolf Pack members was afraid for this guy. I was afraid for him because he looked like he did have it. At least he had a helmet. But what is a helmet going to do when you're doing 110 and you crash and hit a tree? He probably hit the tree and the person's car. What is that going to do? Look at this real quick, y'all. Look at this. Look how fast he going. He doing 110 right now. Moving. Flying. Let me see what happened to him. Did he hit something? Okay, he running the red light right here. Oh, he looked like he hit something. Oh, he might have hit an animal, y'all. It looked like he hit something. Hold on. Yeah, it's like he hit something. I don't know, man. But with that being said, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to what? Drop me a couple of hype points in that Avengers Cup. I would definitely appreciate it. Shout out to homeboy. Rest in peace. Rest up. Unbelievable. Nasty work, man. Nasty, nasty work, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know. Do y'all think he hit something? You think he hit like a raccoon? Something ran out in front of him? Maybe a baby deer or something like that? Seemed like he hit something, or maybe his tires exploded. Maybe he hit a bump and he went airborne a little bit, and when the tires touched down, lost control. Whatever it was. Fatal. Fatality. But with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. The stupidity ain't worth it. We just witnessed what stupidity can do to you. The stupidity is not worth it. Listen, you don't got to do stupid things to be accepted. Do great things and you'll be accepted. You don't have to do stupid things. If the little conscious thing, your little Jiminy the Cricket telling you don't do it, it's probably me don't do it. Listen, we got to start using our thinker. That's why we got a brain. Stop taking your brain out and putting Francisco up there and let him control everything. Francisco is a young demon squirrel. If you let him control your body, he doesn't care about your body. Because once he take your body from you, he just going to pop out your head and run away. Never to be seen. Come on now. We smarter than this. Let's make better decisions, y'all. It ain't worth it. It's definitely not worth it. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Pull over, dummy. Pull over, doofus. Pull over, dirt old bird. Pull over. It's not worth it. Take the ticket. We don't want you to get your wings earlier than you should. Your good old heavenly wings or your devil demon wings. You're gonna get you a set. It just depends on which set you gonna get. But with that being said, if you are going to run, we hope you don't run. But if you are going to make the stupidity decision of running, can you please pull over and take the ticket?